I just put these on, got them from Boost Auto, and I love the sequential turn signals. That's one of the main reasons I got them. And I was looking, the LEDs seem, I'll let you guys pick for yourself. That's a sequential turn signal, and it comes on with a solid running light. And then come around here, this is my stock. I have the first mod I did to this truck when I bought it 4 years ago is put the Boost Auto mod in to cause the running lights to blink with the turn signals, because I think that's, you know, I like that, and it's a safety thing. But check this out. Without, I don't know, that one over there, the Boost Auto, just seems a whole lot brighter than stock. And I like the sequential long LED a lot better than the dotted LED. It kind of blurs out on camera and makes it look brighter than it is. But if you guys have the stock dotted LEDs, you know what I'm talking about. That's factory brightness, so. But yeah. Stock Boost Auto. I like them.